Today's magic word is busy. Say it with me. Say it with me. Busy! Buzzing busy. Baby monkey had so much to do. He picked up his colorful blocks. He packed his little school bag. He watered the blooming flowers. Zoom, zoom, tap. Busy means having lots of fun tasks to do and working hard. हिंदी में busy का मतलब होता है काम में लगे रहना या व्यस्त होना. Now, can you say busy? Wow! One more time. Busy! Amazing! What helpful thing makes you busy today? Tell mommy or daddy. See you tomorrow for another Kidspire word of the day. Bye-bye! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye-bye!